Hey guys. So yeah, we're just pulled over on the side of the road. It's supposed to be a picnic area, but it's, as you can see, it's still all snowed in, and I don't have any means of pulling myself out if I get stuck. So if that's soft, chances are I'll get stuck. So I just pulled in. Had to relieve myself. There's toilets here, and yeah, I'm gonna be cooking up some burgers. So yeah, for din-dins or lunch. All right. I saved my bottles for emergency purposes. I have a lot saved up. I can have a lot of emergencies. I'm gonna have to start recycling them because I got way too many. I thought it would be a lot harder to find a bathroom being out on the road. But really, if you don't have something to worry about, oh, got that plugged in. Like if you're not concerned, I'm missing one of my jacks. Must have fell out to the vibration. If you're not concerned about like the condition of the bathrooms, right, then you're all right. Like you figure that we just came out of a. This is not working out. All right, we'll just leave that unplugged. I'm rendering a video right now. Rendering's just, it's saving everything to a file in order to send it over. That's what I think it does. I don't know. I'm not I'm new at this. So definitely gotta clean this out. Okay, so I got a lot of cleaning to do. I'll get back at you. Hey guys, welcome back. Just ate dinner, and I'll wait for a clearing here, and then we're gonna head out on the highway. It's like a big tree fell over, but we're just gonna wait.
Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system. The system. Government is trapping the system.
Told the system.